Former Auditor General Madinah Muhammad has hit back at criticism of the National Audit Department over its audit of Tabung Haji. Madinah, who was Auditor General from 2017 to 2019, said the audit was conducted according to the required standards, laws and available evidence.
Saya bukan bergerak sendiri, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan. Saya ada pasukan audit yang hebat. Jabatan Audit Negara telah ditubuhkan semenjak 106 tahun yang lalu. Jadi Jabatan Audit Negara adalah supreme audit institution yang perlu dihormati.
Madinah was speaking at the National Musyawarah Forum on Tabung Haji in Kuala Lumpur, attended by Deputy Prime Minister Ahmad Zahid Hamidi and past Secretary General Taqiyuddin Hassan. Her remarks came after the Tabung Haji RCI criticised the National Audit Department over its audits of the fund between 2014 and 2017. The RCI said Tabung Haji should have recorded a 1.4 billion ringgit loss in 2017 instead of the 3.4 billion ringgit profit it reported, a difference of almost 4.8 billion ringgit. But Madinah rejected comparisons between the department's audit and a later PricewaterhouseCoopers review, saying the two exercises had different objectives, terms of reference and methodologies.
Sebaliknya, PwC menjalankan Financial Position Review, iaitu satu penugasan khas berdasarkan terms of reference yang berbeza. Semakan tersebut menggunakan pendekatan penilaian yang lebih luas terhadap kedudukan keuangan tabung haji, termasuk kaedah pengiktirafan rosot nilai yang berbeza daripada audit statutory. Perbezaan metodologi dan kaedah inilah yang menyebabkan kedua-dua laporan menghasilkan angka yang berbeza.